everybody, I'm Christy with Christmas Lights Etc. And today I'm going to show you 3 of our favorite decorating tips for some small lit Halloween decor. I'm going to show you how to make some little monsters with our 15-inch lighted Starburst branches. These are our green versions that you can see here, and they do have a slight twinkle to them. All you're going to need, very simple, minimal items, is an eyeball. Now this could be an eyeball ornament or anything you can find at your dollar store or online. The other thing you're going to need is a bread tie. Now you can get these, just save them from your bread, or you can buy these handy spools of bread ties that you can cut off the length you need. All you're going to have to do is thread one of these eyeballs with the bread tie and tie it around one of the arms on the Starburst. Give it a little bit of bend, and now you have an eyeball. And repeat this on each different Starburst to create multiple little monsters. Once all of these are in place, then you can shape your Starbursts into fun, different shapes to look like spiders, little animals, anything you can think of. And here are our finished monsters. As you can see, you can bend and shape these to anything your imagination can come up with. This is a great project for the kids and the whole family alike. Make your little monsters and have a blast. What I have in front of me is our 2 18-foot kits in purple and green. We're going to create word art today using these kits. So all you're going to need to create your word art out of rope lights is some handy little zip ties and a wire cutter. Bend and shape your rope lights with one color or multiple colors like you've seen we've done here. Take your zip ties, run them around the 2 pieces, put them together, and then when you're done, just cut off the ends. Create any kind of word you can think of. Today we have chosen to do boo for Halloween. Then take your wire cutters and cut off the ends. We are using our foldable light balls. As you can see, the power would usually come out of the top of these balls, but all you would need to do is the cap that is normally here, move that to the bottom. That way your power is going to come out of the bottom for when you seat your pumpkin. For this project, all you're going to need is one of our foldable light spheres, which come in multiple different sizes. So you can create an entire pumpkin patch with different sized pumpkins. You're going to need a little bit of greenery, some ribbon, and a couple of little pipe cleaners, and a pair of wire cutters. So all you're going to need to do is get any type of ribbon. I prefer this ribbon called poly mesh. You can buy this at any craft store or online. You're going to take it and start balling it up in your hand and then just filling your pumpkin. What you're going to do is just keep unrolling this until you get the desired fullness you want. As you fill it up, it will start looking just like a pumpkin. So keep doing that until you get the desired effect. The next thing you're going to need is a small sprig of greenery. Any type of leaf greenery could work. What you're going to do is you're going to take this, since it's pre-wired, you're just going to wire it onto one of the arms of the ball to create that little sprig at the top. The next thing you'll do is take a pipe cleaner with any type of tool or a pencil to create a little curlicue for the growing sprigs that are normally on a live pumpkin. Again, you will take this and just wrap it around one of the tines for the ball, and you'll have a finished pumpkin. Thank you for joining us.